Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back into the worldwide headquarters of the Smoke Ring Society, located right here in my kitchen. As you probably already know, the weather has turned cold, the leaves are starting to change and fall from the trees, referees are blowing calls every damn Sunday, and it's time for Thanksgiving. So that means two things are going to happen. Number one, you're going to be fighting with the in-laws over who's hosting Thanksgiving dinner, and number two, it's time for pumpkin pie. That grandest of traditions that sparks so many food debates. So that's what we're going to be doing today, making pumpkin pie. But I'm not baking mine in the oven. Taking a lot of shortcuts, but that's not one of them. I'm cooking mine on the Weber grill. All right, bring it in. Here's the plan. Here's what we're going to do. I'm a busy guy. I don't have time to be growing pumpkins out in my pumpkin patch and time to be milling flour and making homemade pie crusts and all that other crap. So you know what am I going to do? I'm going to go to the store. I'm going to buy pumpkin in a can. I'm going to get some pre-made spices. I'm going to buy the pie crust shell jazz that they got in aisle 6 at the local store. I'm going to throw this pie together and I'm going to put it on a grill, and it's going to come out the best. Because I don't have time for all this nonsense. I'm a man of action. I get things done. Pie's done. And of course it came out just exactly how I knew it was going to. Freaking perfect. I wish you guys could smell it. However, what I think doesn't really matter. It's going to be going up against the toughest critics in the entire world. Tougher than freaking Gordon Ramsay. Tougher than any Michelin-starred chef. My family. They're awful. And they're ruthless. Wish me luck.
It's good, but it would just be better warm than cold.
That's it?